In this short video, you'll learn how to embed a published Sumerian scene on a web page using an iframe. So let's get started. Okay, to embed a published Sumerian scene into something like a website using HTML, it's a very simple process. You have a scene, and this is a simple one. I press play to test it out. I click on the box, and the box spins. Simple behavior. I will then publish this scene by going to publish up here in the left-hand corner, create public link, and then it's warning me that I'm about to create a public link. So I'll go ahead and confirm and press publish again. I will then provide a unique URL. I can copy that, open up a new tab, and I can check it out. Click on the box and it spins. I can move around just like I can in the editor. All right, so I have a published scene using this unique URL. What I need now is an iframe that I can then embed into an HTML website. So I will go to, one of the quick and easy ways to do this is to go to a YouTube video. Here's a nice video of yours truly. And then if I go to share and then under embed, and this will also work in a lot of different video hosting platforms. And you can find an iframe really anywhere, but this is just one way, easy way to find it. I'll go ahead and copy this whole iframe code. I will then go over to this free tool just to show you how this works. It's an online tool just to test out HTML. And as you can see, simple HTML to build a website. Check out my embedded Sumerian scene, click on the box to make it spin. I already have some text in there. I'm then just going to copy in my iframe. And I'll run that. Okay, that's how you would embed a video. You really do the same thing with a Sumerian scene. So I'll just take the URL from the published scene and then I'll replace the video URL. I'll click run. And there we go. That is how you would embed a Sumerian scene into another website. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well as join our Slack community at slack.sumerian.world.